So if you have a data plot like this one, a scatter plot like this one, and a model that you've made on Desmos, here's my model. If I would like to restrict my domain, let's say I want to restrict my domain so that I don't have any part of my model before this first data point, and I don't have any part of my model after this last data point. I can, in my same line where I've created my model equation, I'm going to use the curly braces and then inequality symbols to restrict my domain. So let's see, let's call this point, I don't know, maybe let's call it 100, and we want that to be less than, and then I'm just going to press the equal sign symbol, and it puts the line underneath x, which we want to be less than or equal to, let's see, 1,000. And then we end our curly braces, and now my model only goes between 100 and 1,000. If I want to find all of the bivariate data for my model, I can do so like this. Let's go back to the front. We're going to change this y to be y sub 1 by using the underscore symbol. We're going to change this equal sign to be the squiggly symbol like you would put on an N in Spanish. And then for the x, we're also going to make this an underscore sub 1. Because we have this domain restriction, I also need to change my x that's in here to be an x sub 1 as well. And now we get an r squared value right away, and we get e, which is my residuals, and it has plotted all of these purple points down below to be my residual plot. If I would like to get my average residual, I need to type mean of e sub 1, and then it spits out my average residual number right here.